Choosing the perfect Grand Seiko watch can feel overwhelming, especially with so many options available. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Blue Dial Automatic Men's Watch. The Seiko 5 Automatic Blue Dial 38mm Stainless Steel Men's Watch SNXS 77 caught my eye right away with its elegant blue dial and compact size. Priced at $209.21, it's an affordable piece from a brand renowned for quality. If you want a stylish yet functional watch without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 38mm case size strikes a perfect balance between being bold enough to stand out and subtle enough for everyday wear. You won't have to worry about it feeling too bulky on your wrist, which is a common complaint with larger watches. Plus, the automatic movement means no batteries, just wear it and let your movements keep it ticking. In fact, more than 500 of these watches have been bought in the past month, showing it's a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the watch feeling a bit lightweight. Here's the thing though, while it might not have the heft of a luxury watch, that lighter feel can actually make it more comfortable for long wear. If you're after a watch you can wear all day without discomfort, this could be a positive. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable everyday watch that won't draw too much attention. Skip this one if you prefer something with a heftier, luxury feel. For the price, this watch offers fantastic value and quality. Now, if the lightweight feel of the SNXS 77 bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more substantial design. Product number 2, Men's SNKE 034 Watch. The Seiko Men's SNKE 034 immediately stands out with its classic design and reasonable price tag of $139.72. What really caught my attention was its automatic movement and skeleton back, giving it a unique twist. If you want a reliable watch that combines traditional aesthetics with modern functionality, this is worth a serious look. The 1.4-inch case width is perfect for most wrists, and the adjustable wrist circumference, 5.5–7.5 inches, ensures a snug fit. No more worrying about a watch sliding around or feeling too tight. Plus, the automatic feature means you'll never have to replace a battery, which is a hassle no one wants. It's already garnered over 300 sales in just the last month, so you know people are loving it. Now, some people mention that the glass could scratch easily. Here's the thing though, while you might want to be careful, that's pretty standard for watches in this price range. A little caution can go a long way in keeping your watch looking good. This is perfect for you if you love classic watches with a twist and are on a budget. Skip this one if you need something ultra-durable or scratch-proof. Overall, it's a solid value without compromising on quality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a sporty look. Product number 3, SSK Automatic Watch. The Seiko SSK 001 automatic watch for men took my breath away with its bold black dial and sporty design. Priced at $474.86, it's a bit of an investment but offers some serious features. If you want a watch that looks great and performs even better, this is worth a serious look. This watch genuinely surprised me with its functionality. The black dial with luminous hands means you can read the time in low-light conditions, which is invaluable for evening outings. Plus, the 100mm water resistance means you don't have to baby it at the pool or beach. And if you're a traveler, the GMT bezel is a game changer for keeping track of time in multiple zones. With over 300 sold recently, it's clearly a favorite. Now, some users pointed out that the watch can feel a bit bulky on smaller wrists. Here's the thing though, this is a sport watch, and that heft adds to its durability and presence. If you're looking for something that makes a statement, this might actually be a plus. This is perfect for you if you're active and need a watch that can keep up with your lifestyle. Skip this one if you prefer more delicate designs. For the features packed into this watch, the price is quite reasonable. Now, if the bulkiness of the SSK 001 doesn't fit your style, let me introduce you to a sleeker option that combines elegance and performance. Product number 4, Men's Analog Automatic Watch SRPH 87K1. The Seiko Men Analog Automatic Watch SRPH 87K1 caught my attention with its sophisticated blue color and classic stainless steel strap. At $368.80, it's a stylish piece that doesn't compromise on functionality. If you want a watch that fits both casual and formal occasions, this is worth a serious look. The push-button deployment clasp makes it easy to put on and take off while providing a secure fit. This watch has already seen over 200 purchases, showing it's making waves in the market. Now, some people have commented on the complexity of the mechanical movement. Here's the thing though, while it might require a bit of understanding, this type of movement is often considered a sign of quality. If you appreciate the craftsmanship behind a mechanical watch, this could be a great fit for you. This is perfect for you if you want an elegant watch that can transition from day to night effortlessly. Skip this one if you prefer something simpler and more straightforward. Given its design and quality, it offers excellent value. If you appreciate sophisticated designs but need something with more durability, let's take a look at the next product, which is a dive watch. Product number 5, SRPF Automatic Dive Watch. The Seiko SRPF-03 Automatic Dive Watch stands out with its rugged design and impressive specs, making it a great option at $506.88. This is a watch that truly combines style with functionality. If you want a watch that can handle a bit of adventure while still looking sharp, this is worth a serious look. Let's talk features. This watch is ISO Scuba approved to depths of 200 meters, which means you can take it diving without a second thought. The Lumi Bright display ensures you can read the time even in complete darkness, which is perfect for night dives. Plus, the reliable 4R35 caliber movement means accurate timekeeping, and with a 41-hour power reserve, you won't have to worry about it stopping. It's no surprise this watch has already sold over 100 units recently. Now, some reviews mention that the watch can feel a bit heavy for daily wear. Here's the thing though, the weight adds to the durability and ruggedness, making it perfect for outdoor activities. If you're looking for a watch that can withstand the elements, that heft is likely a benefit. This is perfect for you if you're an outdoor enthusiast or love diving. Skip this one if you want a lightweight, everyday wear watch. For its features and durability, it's definitely worth the investment. So let's recap the top 5 Grand Seiko watches we just covered. The Seiko 05 is fantastic for everyday wear, while the SNKE 034 offers classic looks at an incredible price. The SSK 001 is perfect for sporty types, and the SRPH 87K1 combines elegance with functionality. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the SSK 001 because it strikes a perfect balance between style and performance. However, I'd recommend avoiding the Seiko 05 if you're looking for something with a heftier feel. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.